Hello students, so in this class we will continue with the previous concept, that is star delta or delta star conversions. So consider the circuits. So this is what the star circuit, the first one. So this is what the delta circuit, right? So now already we have derived the relation between the star delta and delta star, right? So how to write the equations directly, so we'll see today, right? Now if I want to convert this delta to star, so means the resistor will appear in this way. So this resistor I will denote with say RA, this one as say RB, this one as say RC. How to write the equation for this RA? So RA will be what? Product of these two side arms, R1, R2 whole divided by sum of all three resistors, R1 plus R2 plus R3, right? Similarly, if I want the value of RB, how to write RB equation for RB? RB is equal to what? Side arm products, that is R2 R3 whole divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Similarly, if I want to write RC, so RC is equal to what? Side arm product divided by what? Sum of the resistors, that is R1 R3 whole divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is what? Delta to what? Star. Delta to star it is called. So previously R1, R2, R3 are in the delta fashion, that we have converted into what? Star, which consists of RA, RB, RC. The equation for RA, RB, RC are here. Now we'll convert this star to delta. How it looks like? So I'll convert or rewrite this circuit like this. Means if I convert this star to delta, so I'll get the delta circuit as this. Now I want to write the equations for R1, R2, R3. How to write equation for R1? R1 is equal to product of these all resistors like RA, RB plus RB, RC, RB, RC plus RC, RA, RC, RA whole divided by, if I want this resistor, I should divide this RB. Similarly, if I want to write R2, so R2 numerator will be remain same, RA, RB plus RB, RC, RC, RA whole divided by, what should I write? I want R2, I should divide by what? RC. Similarly, if I want R3, similarly RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA whole divided by, what should I write? I want R3, right? This is R3. I should divide what? RA. So this is what the equations are, what? Star to delta. It's very easy, no need to remember the formulas. If you want to convert delta to star, that resistor, if you want side arms product divided by sum of resistor. Here product of sum of all numerator terms whole divided by opposite what? Resistor element, that we should write. Move on to the next concept here. We have one short note, right? Now consider the circuit, delta circuit, which is having the values say 30, 30, 30, right? I want to convert this into what? Star. How to convert that into a star? So what is the value of this resistor? This value of resistor will be what? Product of these two divided by sum of all three resistors. What is the value get? So I'll take this one, say R1, this one as say R2, this one as say R3 for understanding purpose, right? So R1 is equal to what? Side arm products, right? 30 into 30 whole divided by sum of three resistors, 30 plus 30 plus 30. How much I'll get? Yeah, so 900 divided by what? It's a 90, right? So this will goes only 10. So this will become what? 10. Similarly, how to write this R2? R2 will be product of these two, sum of all resistors. Again 900 divided by 90. This will be also become what? 10. This also become what? 10. Because all three resistors are same. So conclude that, we'll conclude that when the resistors are same in delta circuit, if I want to convert that into a star, the whatever the resistor there in the delta will be what? Divided by what? 3. So that will get. This is a rule holds good only when what? All resistor elements are what? Same, right? Assume that, see here, if we have the resistor say 6 ohm, all resistor are 6 ohm. Now what is its equivalent resistor? So R by 3 means 6 by 3 will be what? 2. All resistors are 2 ohm, right? Similarly, we can have for conversion of star to what? Delta also. So consider one circuit which consists of say resistors, say 30 ohm each, right? I want to convert this into what? Delta. How to get this? Star to delta. So how to write the value of this and this? So we have already derived the what equation. I'll take this one as say RA, this one as say RB, this one as say RC. So just for your understanding purpose, what is the formula for this one? General RA will be what? Product of these two plus product of these two plus product of these two whole divided by opposite resistor for this element. This will be what? 30, right? 30 into 30 plus 30 into 30 plus 30 into 30 whole divided by what? This resistor, that is 30. So this will become what? 900 900 900 2700 whole divided by 30. How much will get? What? 90 ohm I'll get. So this will be what? 90 ohm. Similarly, this is also 90 ohm. This is also 90 ohm. The conclusion is that when the resistors are in same, all the values are in same in the star circuit. If I want to convert that into a delta, whatever the resistor value will be there into what? 3. See here 30 is there. So the answer in the delta circuit will be what? 90. This is one shortcut. So while solving the numericals, right? So this is how we need to convert. So these two notes are very important. This holds good only when all the resistors values are same, right? Got it? So this looks very easy when all resistors are same, but we'll consider one small example. Say the circuit consists of different values. We'll see here. This is 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm. How to convert this into a star, right? What is the value of this and this? To get the value of this, product of these two 2 divided by sum of all three, 1 plus 2 plus, so I'll write here it is 1 into 2 whole divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much I'll get? 2 by 6, it's a 1/3. So this will be 1 by 3 ohm. How to get this one? Product of these two divided by sum remains same, right? Product of these two will be what? 6. divided by sum, how much is, it's a 6, so this will be 1. This will become what, 1 ohm. How to get the resistance value of this one? Product of these two, 3 divided by 6, 3 by 6, so how much it will be, 1 by 2. It's a 1 by 2 ohm. So this is how we need to calculate the things, right? So I'll consider one more example. Say same example we'll consider to convert it to what, delta. So this can be written as, say, 0.33. So this is 1, this is 0.5. So I'll rewrite this one, circuit for to avoid the confusion. I have the star circuit, I need to convert this one to what, delta. This is, say, 0.3333, this is 1, this is 0.5, right? How to convert this one to delta? So we will see now. I want this resistor, right? How to get this resistance? Product of these two plus product of these two plus product of these two, so whole divided by 1. So this resistance value, so I'll take this one as, say, RA, RB and RC. So RA will be 0.333 into 1 plus 1 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.333 whole divided by 1. If I do like this, so I'll get the answer as, say, 1 ohm. So this will become what, 1 ohm. Similarly, if I want RB, how to do that? So RB is equal to, numerator remains same, 0.333 into 1 plus 1 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.33 whole divided by, I should write what, 0.5 whole divided by 0.5. So this results in what, 2 ohm. Similarly, if I write for RC also, so numerator remains same. What should I write here? Divided by what? I want RC here, so I should divide by what? 0.33. So this results in what? So 3 ohm. So this is what, 2 ohm, this is 3 ohm. This is how we need to convert what? Delta to star as well as star to delta. So we'll stop it here. Thank you.